Most people will tell you there are as many definitions of science fiction as there are fans of the genre. And that's mostly true, but it's also true that within the science fiction community, authors and artists and editors and scholars and fans have a kind of specialized or secret language almost that we use to broadly categorize different types of science fiction. And today I want to teach you 3 key terms associated with that secret language. The first is SF, which is a shortening of science fiction. SF might be something like Stanley Kubrick's 2001: A Space Odyssey, or even the recent television series Battlestar Galactica. This is the best of the best science fiction. It extrapolates carefully from contemporary sciences and technologies, it thinks about their impact on society, and it makes us wonder about our place in the universe as humans. The next kind of science fiction we talk about is sci-fi. Sci-fi is a term that's probably familiar to most of you, but it does have a specialized use within the science fiction community. You want to think here about something like Star Wars. These are stories that are still full of science and technology, but that perhaps don't think very much about its impact on society, or that celebrate action and adventure over creative and critical collaboration. And finally, the last term I want to talk with you about is Skippy. Skippy is a corruption of sci-fi, and frankly, it's used to talk about the worst of the worst. So this is science fiction that really doesn't speculate at all about the future of science and technology, and it never wonders about the place of humans in the universe. We can sum up Skippy in one word: Sharknado. Now, learning all these terms is a lot of fun, and they make for great cocktail party conversation. But it's also a kind of serious fun. Science fiction is a global language that allows us to communicate the experience of science and technology across centuries, continents, and cultures. And that aligns very well with the Georgia Tech strategic mission to produce graduates who are global citizens. If we can read each other's science fiction and begin to learn about each other's hopes and fears concerning the future, we take the first important steps towards building truly new and better futures for all.